Hey guys, this is Poppin Money ARK and back to my new video. So guys, today we are gonna talk about 90s iconic hairstyle, Leonardo DiCaprio's. Ha. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna talk about this hairstyle, and this hairstyle is like more than a carry decades of that movie in Hollywood. Like as in 90s had this hairstyle, and this hairstyle is like iconic in that way. So we are talking about today's like hairstyle, this 90s famous hairstyle Leonardo DiCaprio. So how to like get this hairstyle? More than like you don't have to need anything. You have to be a long hair like a length of this like that, and how to volumize this hairstyle like this of mine. So go to the back. Okay, so guys, this is before start this video. So let me show how to get this. First of all, if you don't have a hair dryer, so no problem, bro. Like you don't need to be a hair dryer, so we use like hair serum. So now we're gonna start. So first of all, I want to on my fan because I'm very, I think you understand. So let's start. And first of all, I think it's get a very big noise in here, but I'm so sorry for that because it's in India right now. It's very warm. Okay, so yeah, it's on. So, so it's good. And when I turn out my headband, it looks like this. Okay, so if you see like I'm sorry, if you see guys, it's kind of look like him. So yeah, that's it. It's a wrap of the video. And I know guys, if you think about like it's a little bit of that like process about the hairstyle, and we're gonna talk about the middle part of hairstyle. I know like some of the people are saying like get the middle part of the hair in from Indian, like carry the middle part hairstyle. It's not looks good. uh I'm agree with 50-50 because you know it's depend on not the looks. It's depend on the facial like a face shapes. Okay, and your facial feature. If you have a good jawline, like not like we have a very average jawline. Okay, if you have, so then you can carry every hairstyle like a buzz cut, long hairs, wolf haircut, like a mullet, modern mullet. So it's not to be very hard, and if you don't have like a good like a not good like a not have a jawline or something, if you have a bulky face, so I think I will be suggest you should be use a long hairstyle like a volume long hairstyle, and like a normal hairstyle and modern mullet haircut. It's suited on your face shapes. So now it's a wrap of the video. I think I hope you like my video. Subscribe to YouTube channel, press the bell icon to the all. Comment with this video some another content. Make sure subscribe to YouTube channel. My name is PBRK, and I know you subscribe my channel just because my shorts videos. I know that, but in that past I'm making some lots of long videos, but now I'm not making cause you know what like the views or something like that. If you have any kind of idea so about the hairstyle, I will be definitely use. And I decided to I want to grow up my hair right now because I want to try the wolf haircut. Okay, that one is a very trending. Okay, maybe the after Durga Puja or November to December I will be use that kind of hairstyle. So anyways, it's a wrap of the video. We should be meet again. Bye.